And who are Mr. Shania Salchua? Okay, let's start with a quick rundown for company policies. We cover the code of conduct, leaves, and benefits. So these are the roles of our company. So first is the code of conduct, and followed by leave policies like vacation, sick, and emergency. Our company also offer a benefits like health insurance and retirement plans. We have also the data security, work hours and overtime, anti-harassment and discrimination, confidentiality and non-disclosure, and being time and never be late. So, can I see your ID and contract certifications in any relevant papers? So, are these up to date? Okay. So you have completed all the papers that are required, and lastly, do your job and good luck.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome.